Everyone loves to hear great feedback, and really, we're no different. When we receive a 5-star review, we just want to shout it out from the mountaintops. That's why we're so happy to share this one with you right now. We know the level of service we try to provide, but this type of feedback makes us push harder to do better. We love to hear the good news when someone takes the time to tell us they appreciate the job we're doing. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. We want to thank you for checking us out today, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.